once you have a setup and put your trade on, just get out of the way, because otherwise you're just going to ruin it. And that really stood out. There was another one, I think it was Jack Schweiger, and it was Hedge Fund Wizards.
Yeah.
And I like that because of how much they really talked about, everybody in that book really talked about asymmetrical risk, in terms of, don't bet it all on this, or, really looking at like what goes wrong. And I take big risks in trading, but I always want to, like, I can't really sleep unless I have a lot of positions on. It's like, uh, although I always say that the true spa treatment for a trader is to be flat from time to time, so I
Hmm.
do try to do that. But I like the idea of like knowing that, okay, if I have a lot of exposure, so maybe I'm, locked and loaded on long calls, on six positions. But if we're a little toppy, I might buy some puts on the SPX just so, like, when I wake up, I don't want to wake up to a shit show,
Yeah.
kind of a thing. And so, but I say that as a caveat because I've also believe in long-term putting money in indexes. And I don't do anything with that. I just leave it. And it's done great. Even I just keep putting money into it. And so what's kind of amazing with that is how you can put a lot of effort into something and a lot of angst. Um, or you kind of have something like this that really doesn't care about all that. And so I
Right.
always try to, keep that in perspective as well.
Yeah, the $2 million and How I Made $2 Million in 18 Months. That's one of my favorite books.